In this video, we will learn how to convert PowerPoint to video. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the File tab. Then click on the Export option. Then click on the second option to create a video. And here you can see the first option. You can change the size of the video. Just click on this drop down arrow. You can see there are four sizes here: Ultra HD, Full HD, HD and Standard. So I select here the Full HD to large size, full high quality 192 into 1080. I just select this one and click on the create video option and video is created. You can change here the file name if you want, and you can see the file type is a MPEG for video. Just click on the save and you can see here the video is creating in process, showing here bottom side of the PowerPoint. Okay, see here, so wait for the few seconds to create video of presentation. It's coming to finish, so it's done. The video is created. Now I just go to my file and you can see the PNG tag is video, MP4 file type is added. I just double click on it and you can see the video, the presentation video is created. Okay, so this is a way you can create your PPT video. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.